A tiger in the zoo. Student, আজি আমি ইয়াৰ কোৱেশ্চন এনসাৰসমূহ আলোচনা কৰিম। আমি ইতিমধ্যে ফাৰ্ষ্ট ভিডিঅ'ত কৈ আহিছোঁ এই টাইগাৰ ইন দ্য জুৰ ইংৰাজীৰ পৰা অসমীয়া অনুবাদ আৰু ইয়াৰ অৰ্থসমূহ। এতিয়া ইয়াৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড কিছুমান এক্সট্ৰা কুৱেশ্যন আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। প্ৰথমটো, where does the tiger stalks? How is his behavior? কুৱেশ্যনটো আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছোঁ, where does the tiger stalks? How is his behavior? Answer to, the tiger stalks in his vivid stripes in the case. His behavior is quite rare. Question number 2. Why does the tiger express his rage quietly? Why does the tiger express his rage quietly? Answer to, the tiger is captured in a cage, so he expresses his rage quietly. The tiger is captured in a cage, so he expresses his rage quietly. Question number 3. What does the poet think where the tiger should be? What does the poet think where the tiger should be? Answer, according to the poet, the tiger should be in the jungle. আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছোঁ, according to the poet, the tiger should be in the jungle. Question number 4. Why is the tiger ignoring the visitors? Why is the tiger ignoring the visitors? The tiger is locked in a concrete cell. His strength is behind the bars, so he stuck in his cage and ignoring the visitors. Next question. How does the tiger terrify the villagers? How does the tiger terrify the villagers? Answer, baring his white fangs and his claws, the tiger terrifies the villagers. আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছোঁ, baring, B-A-R-I-N-G, baring his white fangs and his claws, the tiger terrifies the villagers. Next question. What was the last voice heard by the tiger? What was the last voice heard, A-C-A-R-D, heard by the tiger? Answer, the last voice was the sound of the patrolling cars. Heard the last voice at night. The last voice was the sound of the patrolling cars. এতিয়া তোমালোকক কবিতাটো সামাৰীৰ বিষয়ে ক'ম। সামাৰিটো অলপ মন দি শুনিবা সামাৰি A tiger in the zoo. In this poem, the poet describes a tiger in the zoo with the tiger in its natural habitat. The poem moves from the zoo to the jungle and back again to the zoo. The poem provides a description in the mood and environment when he is in the forest. In the zoo, he has no freedom. He is kept in a concrete cell behind the bars. He feels angry and helpless. This reminds him of his natural habitat. He is hiding and sliding in the long grass near the water hole and pouncing upon the fat deer. The way he terrorizes the villagers, displaying his sharp teeth and claws. At night, in the zoo, he hears the sound of the patrolling cars. The tiger in the zoo appears helpless. The poet wants to convey that it is cruel to keep away from their natural habitat. They feel angry, helpless, and unhappy in the case. He pays no attention to the visitors who came to watch him. In the silence of the night, he stares at the brilliant stars with his bright eyes. So student, first I tell you about the question answer, extra question answer. Then next I also tell about the summary of the poem. You listen it carefully and try to understand. Then write the question in your copy. Thanks.